Hey guys, we got a new kit to look at. This is the AMT Ford Interceptor police car. I don't know what year of Galaxy this is, or Ford this is. Here's this side. Here's the bottom. I don't see a date anywhere. But yeah, let's have a look. I'm guessing this is like maybe a 70. So here's our front bumper. Blackwash that. Put some Mod Podge over the headlights. Make them shiny. Here's our metal axles, our screws, and our tires. Here's our bench seat. Here's our rear axle, steering wheel. Here's our dashboard. Whoops. Here's some more engine pieces, our rims. Our engine block, our intake, heads, our batteries, our fan, carburetor, exhaust. Here's the push bar and firewall. Here's our hood. You can make it a curbside if you wanted to make it a curbside. I'm not going to. Here's our round reds and blues. Our glass. Here's our directions. Not much to it. Not much to it at all. Let's see. It's our rear bumper. Our chrome tree with our valve covers, our intake, our center caps, our antenna, our light bar thing at the top. And here's our decal sheet, which is in perfect condition. So we can do Chicago Police, New York, we can do Highway Patrol, City of Troy, I assume that means Michigan, Police. I will probably do it as either a Chicago squad car or as a highway patrol car. California Highway Patrol. But I'll probably do it as Chicago, being I'm only a couple hours from Chicago. So there's that. I'm glad the decals are in perfect condition. Here's our chassis. Pretty plain Jane. Here's our interior tub. Here's our Ford body. I'm going to assume this is like a 69 or a 70 Ford Galaxy. A little bit of flash, but nothing terrible. Be a cool kit to put together. And it's a screw bottom. Let's see if the body says 2012. So yeah, it's old. 2012 by round 2. So there we go. There's a look at the AMT Ford Interceptor squad car. Not a lot of parts to it, which I think when I did the taxi, the AMT Ford taxi, I don't think it had a lot of parts either. And I'm going to assume this is basically the same kit. I'm going to assume it's the same kit, just different packaging. So yeah, I can't wait to get started building this. Should be a fun build. Should be a quick build. I'll just have to look and see. I think Chicago squad cars are white, but I'll have to look and see. I know the ones here in my hometown are white. I got this kit off eBay. It is missing. I did notice it does not have the guns to it, but that's okay because I have some. It was missing a shotgun. There you go. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. Hopefully I earned your like on it. If you haven't subscribed, please remember to subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.